Hi guys, so I just got off Instagram live and I said okay, let me do this for my Facebook followers. So we just finished on Instagram where I padded this bag. So it's a non-structured bag by nature. This is the prototype I made before, so it's the only thing that is inside this bag now is collar stay or gum stay, hard stay by tailors. So that's the only thing that is in the bag aside from the lining and what have you. So but this one now I've padded it with you can see it's standing. So I've padded it with paper board, particularly carry board. So what I want to do now is I want to fix the bag seat for this. So I want to fix the bag seat on it, and that's what I'm going to be doing on this live call. So if you have questions, you can drop it. I'm going to answer. So basically just putting the paper board so that it stands well. Then I'll take the measurement of where I want the bag seat to be. I want to be sure that this paper board is not altering all the good works that I've done. Okay, so I guess we're good. So I padded it with carry board. That's what I'm still trying to adjust. That to fit. So I'll just take the measurement of where I want the back seat to be, and the back seat should be around. Is 1 inch okay? Yes. So I'm taking 1 inch from the side. So I'll take 1 inch from this side, and let's say ½ inch from this end, so that I just marked that point. So ½ inch from where the base stops, and 1 inch from the side. So this is here, 1 inch from the sides, and ½ inch from here, ½ inch from here, and 1 inch from here. Okay, so I've marked the 4 points where the back seat is going to be sitting on, and the next thing is this back seat I'm going to be using is a stock back seat. It's right here. Okay, so I just need 4. So I'll use the leg to know where I'm supposed to pierce. So I'll just place it right on the part where I've marked, just at the center where I've marked, and just like this. So it will give me the sign of where to mark. So I'm going to punch that. Okay, so once I have that done, I'll go in with the back seat. So you can see the back seat fixed. Also, I'll close it up at the other end by widening the leg. So once you've pierced it, you go in with your back seat and get that seated. So you can open it to see, so that you know what you're doing. Just to be sure that it's not going to come off later. Okay, then let's go in with this and then this. So, and then the last one. So open the mouth, so it goes right in. Alright, so we have bag seats fixed. This one facing another place, okay? So the back seat is fixed on the bag. So we are accessorizing it. So we're still going to put the eyelet for the handle, but we are done with the back seat. So I can cover this up now. That's the lining part of the bag. So I can cover this up now since we are done putting the back seats. Good. So we have to get to the sewing machine and do some stuff. Make some change the position of this light so that you can see clearly. This is the sewing machine that we'll be using. So take the system off and let's have this. Don't come inside. Don't. I said don't. Come back later. Alright, so we're going to be fixing this side of the liner. So of the lining. So what you have to do is push the rug, that's the rough part, you push it inwards and so now that we are done with closing up the lining, since I used twine thread, so I have to use lighter to burn the edges, the finishing of the thread. If not, it's going to start loosening up. There's nothing that your scissors can do, so you have to use your lighter to finish off the edges of the twine thread, and you press it down such that it flattens, right? So you know that it's not going to pull. So here we are done with the bag. We've applied the back seat, we've put the structure on the two, the front and the back panel. So I'm going to just you make the lining to be straight on the inside. So just position the lining well in the interior of the bag. With use, right? With use, the lining is going to stay in place. So yeah, we're done. So the next thing now is to fix the handle of the bag. So just fix the handle, but I'm not going to be doing that here. I'm going to be doing that later because I don't have the eyelets for the bag yet. I don't have the eyelets for the handles yet, but basically that's what is remaining for this bag. So fix the bag seat. So it's standing on. You can see, you can hear the sound. And then we've put paper board here, we put carry board here. So that's why it's standing like this. And on this panel part, the only thing that is there is just the, what is it called? Ad stay. The ad stay by Tailors. So that's the only thing that is on the gusset side of it. And for the quit as well, that was what I used to quit this stuff. So basically this is it for the bag. I'm so happy. This is, let's say, 90% done. So just remaining the handle. I already have the materials for the handle. Make it somewhere there. So we are done. So if you're still on this with me, I hope you're not missing the handbag construction class. That's like the only class that we are focusing on in Yellow Learn for now. And the major focus of the handbag construction class is to teach you how bags, like how we come about bags. It's not just, okay, this is the design that you're going to be learning, this is this design that you're going to be learning. That's not the main focus of the handbag construction class. The main focus of the handbag construction class is to, okay, this is how to go about handles, so that when you see a different type of handle somewhere, you know that, okay, this is what I can do to achieve this handle. So there's no, we can't possibly teach you all the designs that you will see in the whole world, but we can teach you the basics that when you go and you see any bag on Pinterest or on Instagram, anywhere, you have an idea how the bag came about. So we teach gusset design types. This gusset design now is different from this gusset design. Okay, so this is the facing gusset, while this is the handbag gusset type 2. Right, so handbag gusset even has different types, and this type 2 is even different from like the original type 2. Okay, so there are so many technicalities that went into it. So we teach you how you can make the gussets, how you come about the handles, the zip panels, you know, the interior, everything. So that's basically what the handbag construction class is about. So if you've not enrolled for the handbag construction class, ensure that you are enrolled. These are just the two bags that are just very close by to me, and that is why I am using this as an example to show you what the handbag construction class consists of. But you're learning various things, how to make different gusset construction, body panel types, interior design, I said interior design, compartment designs, and what have you. So don't miss this handbag construction class. Both of them even have bags. Don't miss the handbag construction class for anything. Quad 4 is starting November 18th. Quad 4 is starting November 18th. This year, 2024, so you can join and have a nice experience. I'm going to be in the class with you, answer all your questions, help you out when you face challenges, and be there to at least you are good. Yes, you are good, and you're going to graduate, give you certificates for participating, and that's it. So ensure that you're part of the handbag construction class. It's not shere, it's not joke, and it is the cheapest class. I mean, with the full package, with the kind of package that is involved in the handbag construction class, it is the cheapest that you will find anywhere, and I mean anywhere. Not just we give you one bag or I'm teaching you 5 bags. No, this is, you're not even coming back to come and meet me to teach you how to make structured bags again. That's what the handbag construction class is about. So ensure that you're enrolled, ensure that you join the class. See you there.